Yo, I'm back at the track. Little content coming up. They got an NA shootout tonight. You can't see me much, and you're not gonna see much of me anyway. So what I'm about to do is, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm finna get the camera off me and onto the track, and we finna get this shit rocking.
I'm not sure if that's his car or not.
Back in a little bit. Gonna wait on the tires.
Yeah, I like the Mustang.
Like George.
Huh?
George and the Mustang finna race like George.
Who he running?
George gonna be on motor. Mustang on turbo.
Hell no.
Scared.
Man, I'm bet with a race I know of.
They ain't doing it on thing.
Let's go.
They say they locked in for 10. My crazy ride around.
Man finna race us. He got a turbo. We gonna race him on motor.
Y'all get fucked up.
It's big.
Y'all gonna get fucked up, man. My boy finna do y'all.
I'm bet you my interest in that.
I ain't bet you. You too lucky.
Y'all beat me every trip.
Man.
Bet $20, man.
I ain't got $20, man. I'm already locked in.
Yeah, ain't doing that race.
But I need to get paid. I need to find out who punked out.
Ain't nobody punked out. Oh, yeah, in that case, your dude punked out.
Man, they supposed to be racing already. They told me an hour.
Damn, finna race up.
Well, I ain't fucking. I ain't betting nothing. Y'all got LS?
Yep.
Okay. Pop by? Man, I'm gonna get these there too. What y'all give him?
Head off. You know,
Alright, y'all gotta get a man some?
he need to give us some. He want with the turbo.
No, man. Hell no. Y'all built motor. These stock motors. Man, what I look like?
Turbo.
Green
Yo.
That man stock motor turbo. Same motor I got. Yeah, I been riding.
You got super cars.
Yeah. I'm gonna need the same thing. I'm gonna need back top y'all.
Good Lord, boy.
Nah, I got this super car coming in goddamn cut.
Man. I'm the only one in Waynesboro. The supercar cut.
I ain't gonna race it, but it'll be like a German, right?
I believe.
Sit out.
Let me know if you want to be.
So I hit you up on Snap.
No better too big, no better too small.
Yeah, I bet it ain't.
I'm their personal vlogger for today.
Sound good to me.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
You're supposed to tell the people we're going to the other side. Let's try this again. So you can crop this out. Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm just walking.
You must be slow.
Okay, I might stop.
Well, you know.
Just talking about parking two trailers close by each other. That's a foot plate. Get a little bit.
Go back here. I gotta see if they still racing or not.
Huh?
I wanna know if they still racing or not.
Oh. What do you mean? Are they on a break?
No, the people that had bet already.
They what? They bet already?
Yeah.
So they wait on bets to race?
Yeah.
Oh. For new viewers like me, I didn't know that.
You can't race for free.
Well, hell, I didn't know that they...
No.
I didn't know they actually waited on bet to race.
That's probably something you
No, I literally had no idea. I thought they just raced just to race. But the people that bet are on the streets that bet. I didn't know that the people in the stands... There are people out there like me that didn't know this information. So we greatly appreciate it, you know? What are they waiting on to race?
Yeah.
Well, this is the end of the line, as you can see.
I got hair in my nose.
Nobody wants that extra information. Where are we going? I don't know. Oh, his friends. Okay.
You know George Black?
Yeah, I think you said Malibu or something like that.
Mike Color.
I got you.
He wants to run.
You still running my Quavers?
We're gonna run at 11, 10:30, 11.
I got you.
Don't run me over now. Okay. Let's see.
Hey, big MGK.
Huh?
The biggest MGK. I'll flip that.
Oh! You did not just say that on camera.
Yeah, you gonna fall?
I almost bumped into his car.
I'm ready for my car, though. I ain't shitting this line up.
Oh, are you sure about that?
Ain't got nobody else. You got some skins with you?
Nah, man, I'm in the old damn hater maker, man.
Man, my mama had everybody some skins.
Yeah, I sure would have got me a bag.
Huh? Alright.
I have some Saturday morning hit up.
You gonna be at your house? Alright.
This is content you should be using. Hold on, we gotta rerun this conversation. This is good content though. Wait, you started it? Well, you don't have to say that, you know. No, he ain't scared. He don't have to say that on camera.
Yeah, he do.
No, he don't.
I ain't never scared.
Period.
You gotta let everybody know you spook. I feel you.
I'm gonna get my money back. That's why I ain't scared.
I feel you. Them sit gens get busy on
So
me.
y'all, he running this car right here.
I got some big ass motors. That's the only thing they got on this. The only thing they got on this damn QB.
Get them off the line though. The 10 speed gonna work.
Shit, put a goddamn air on this bitch. I ain't worried about nothing. I'm finna get like you.
What, soup top?
Yeah, put a supercharger on there.
That's the best bet, man. And that shit boring.
Yeah,
Unless you like beats.
You see dudes back there with all the Anderson composites and shit?
I ain't seen him.
He maxed out for the NA. I'm like, bro, this is a waste of money, but goddamn car like this gonna come out here and pop your ass.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah. And I lost all that weight for shit.
For nothing.
That
They
means
had
you
all
be
your
bad,
interior.
I guess I'm gonna bring you right there already.
Everybody know.
85.
Yeah.
He ain't got it no more.
You supposed to be talking to him, making him spook, man.
He been on me since I was little.
Oh, look, you got a little more weight saving on you. You might be alright. Hey, mile ain't long.
He gonna get busy at 3:30. Come around before.
I feel you.
Hopefully.
Man, you alright, man. We Mustang gang. You know, hopefully we straight.
Hey, I don't give a fuck. All this dude is hot down. We got a damn V6 in that bitch, man.
Oh, shit.
That V6 challenge that blue.
Yeah.
V6 and all the most parts out there.
Bye.